Hello, my friends. I miss you so much. Do you miss me too? Yeah! Are you ready to learn some new words with me? مين جاهز يقرأ معايا ويتعلم كلمات جديدة ونلعب ألعاب حلوة مع بعض؟ Are you ready? Let's go!
Learn with Yamna.
Can you spot the mystery box? I cannot find it. Where is it? Search with me. Where is the mystery box? حد شايف mystery box? Oh, it's here! Here is the mystery box. Let's open it together. Wow! Today we will learn at family. at. لكن قبل ما ناخد حاجة جديدة يلا بينا بسرعة نراجع الكلمات اللي ذاكرناها مع بعض قبل كده. Who can read this word? مين يعرف يقرأ الكلمة دي بسرعة؟ An fan. Super. What about this one? Jam. Good job. What about this one? And man. Awesome. And here is the last word. Dam. Super. Guys, now you are ready to learn at word family. Can you say it alone? At. Good job. Oh, guys, look at this. This is so cute. Who can tell me what is this? مين يعرف يقول لي إيه دي اسمها إيه؟ At cat. Meow meow. Cat. مين يعرف يعمل شكل القطة؟ Meow. At cat. Oh, what about this? Oh my God. This is a bat. At bat. What is this? This is a bat. At bat. Oh my God! This is so sneaky. Who can tell me which animal is this? Yes, this is a rat. At rat. What is this? This is a rat. Oh, look! Can you see this? This is my new hat. At hat. This is a hat. At hat. Now, these are the words that we've learned today. Let's try to read them one more time. At, cat. At, bat. At, rat. At, hat. Now, can you read the words alone? مين يعرف يقرأهم لوحده؟ Here we are. Super! Good job! Awesome! Very, very good. Now you've got 4 stars. Now, are you ready for the acting game? هنلعب لعبة التمثيل. هنشوف الكلمة نقرأها مع بعض بعد كده هنمثلها. جاهزين؟ Let's go. What is this? This is at hat. Good job. Hat. Here is my hat. My hat is purple. What about this? This is at cat. Good job. Show me a cat. Meow. Cat. What about this? This is a sneaky rat. The rat runs like this. Rat. at this. This is a bat. Do like a bat. Super. Guys, now it's the sentence time. جاهزين نقرأ الجملة مع بعض؟ Let's go. The cat sat on the mat. Let's read it one more time. The cat sat on the mat. Can you read it faster? The cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. Guys, now I want you to read the sentence alone. اقرأوها لوحدكم. Super! Guys, I prepared a surprise for you. Can you see these worksheets? In these worksheets, we're going to learn trace and match. مجهزة لكم worksheets حلوة جدا جدا هتلاقوها تحت الفيديو. حملوا الوركشيت واتبعوها واعملوا tracing وcoloring وmatching وما تنسوش توروني النتائج. Guys, we are done! Yay! Today, we've learned new words, we've read sentences, and we had so much fun playing games. النهاردة انتوا كنتوا شاطرين جدا. لعبنا مع بعض وتعلمنا كلمات جديدة وقرأنا جمل. ما تنسوش تشتركوا في القناة علشان تشوفوا كل الفيديوهات بتاعتنا. See you later!
Word was Yamna.